All right, so here is the room. Like I said again, this is one of my bucket places I always wanted to go to is Disney Animal Kingdom Lodge Jumbo House. This is a quick room tour. As you come in here, you can see it has a nice woodwork here. It also has some nice little closet space for you as well. Nice storage. It has some extra pillows. Look like it's a steamer in there. I don't know if they put iron boards and things anymore. Some hangers, it's safe. Let's see what this one has. Just another little smaller side with some more hangers for long items. Here is the bathroom here. I'm just gonna turn on the lights. Hello. We have 2 double sinks. As you can see, when you stay in the deluxe resorts here, you do get all the amenities, Disney wonderful H2O products. Look like there is a dryer and look like there's the little trash can. They do have the little mirror for those who like the mirrors, the accessory mirrors, and I do think there may be a light on that. There you go. And then we also have here the other part of the bathroom. We have a nice bathroom here, nice shower head, some extra little landings, nice little toilet section. So this bathroom is really nice, a little larger than the one I was at. I was at Caribbean. I just got in the room, so I just threw my stuff down. We have a nice little section here with your coffees. Look like we have all the nice little coffee little complimentary things that you may like for your morning coffee. We got the Disney Anniversary 50 coffee as well. And I think this may be, let me move this out the way here. Might be where the fridge is. So we do have a nice little cooling fridge in there. This is double beds. As you can see, I got most of the lights on in here. Really nice beds. We have a nice big TV, and we have a lot of plugs. Those who are looking for nice plugs, nice things to charge up your cameras and your phones, they tend to have a lot of those here. Also on this nightstand, as you can see, they have more charging station units for you. This is where you control the lights, source, ceiling, good night lights. So I haven't turned on all the lights. Also here looks like this is for reading. Sorry about that. If you want to read, then you have a nice reading light there. The beds are really, really nice. We have a nice section here where you have really nice table to eat. And you can see here, they have some really nice artwork that I love. Animal Kingdom, you guys, is African theme, very authentic, very, very nice woodwork in the room. And then the best part of this, I have partial Savanna view. So there is some animals out here. If you've never been here before, this is the best part about this resort. It's almost like you don't even need to go to any parks because you literally can just sit here at this resort and enjoy a Savanna here at your resort. I don't know if you guys see some of the animals out there, but I'm right by the cooling station. I guess when they can come get some water, so who knows how many animals might come that way. But this section here is where something happened, most most the guests will go here. If something should happen, we'll go in this little section here to keep us safe from the animals. But out there is the Savanna. This is a fantastic room. I can give you the room I'm in if you're interested in this particular room. But as you can see, they have 2 sections here. I'm in the Jumbo House, and they have the I can't think of the other name, but that's for Disney Vacations Club members. But the Jumbo House is where everyone can come book. So this is a nice little sit-out patio. I have a chair here, and oh look, it has a little giraffe there. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And also another chair here. I think that's like the lion, and a nice little table for me to come out and for you to come out, drink your coffee. But what a beautiful day this is. I am so excited. So that's a little bit of the room tour. Again, this is what the room looked like on that end. Beautiful artwork on here, just really nice and spacious. So you can get about 4 people in this room. I wouldn't push it no more than that. They do have larger rooms. They do have 2 bedrooms. They do have other type of rooms, but this is your standard room. This is a partial Savanna view. If you have a full Savanna view, the price will change. Just keep that in mind, but not bad. And I am so excited to be here. I want you guys to see the artwork there. We are Lion King fans, very authentic artwork. So that is it. Until I'll give you some more to come as I walk around the resort and show you all this resort has to offer.